Hello and thank you for joining me. I am going to do a quick unboxing and walkthrough of the Crafter's Companion Year of Craft box that debuted on HSN on the November 2nd craft day. So I'm going to start with the book that comes with it. This book is great, probably the reason I bought it. It's a binder and then it comes with a divider. So if you have the auto ship, you will get 6 issues, one every couple of months. And then it has cards with all of the different projects. And these projects vary in complexity. So you can see this one says 45 minutes, intermediate, and then it has everything that you need in order to complete the project and all of the steps. And then it also has a variation if you want to do something slightly different. So I will quickly flip through these pages so that you can get an idea of the projects that are included. This one, I just want to take a second. I actually made a variation of this one. So they want you to use a 6x4 photo and I think 8x8 cardstock. So I just did mine in a 5x7. And then here is another variation of it. So, you know, they will give you the idea and the instructions, but you can actually make it however you want. You can just use these as inspiration. So just continuing to flip through so that you can take a look at these. And everything is included in the box for you to make these projects except for glue and tape. They should also all be able to be made with the Gemini MIDI, but you can use any die cutting machine. And as you can see, it comes with quite a few projects. Okay, that was the last one. And then you have these page markers and some plastic folders in order for you to store your cards that you've already created or plans for cards. Maybe you want to get all your materials together and put them in the box. So that is the book. The next thing is the box, the Year of Craft. So that's the top of the box. And here is the front of the box. It has a couple of ideas on it, and then on the back it lists all of the contents. So I will walk you through the contents of the box. Let's start with the top drawer. Let's go ahead and pull it all the way out. Sarah stuffs these pretty good for us. So Year of Craft. And then we have some stamps. These are months, dates, numbers, anniversary, a couple of sentiments. These are some common ones that you'll use often. Numbers, confetti, cake, and then some other common sentiments that you'll also use often. Get well soon, congratulations, graduation. Couple packs of rhinestones and pearls. These come in handy as accents, and if they show you a lot of places to use these on the cards as well. And then card blanks, so in 4 different sizes. And then also a stencil, so this is used for one of the projects in the book. So that is the top drawer. Push that off to